Hi, my name is Lona Ramos. You're watching this video maybe because you want to know me more, or someone in my team sent you this to introduce an opportunity. At an early age, I've always been business minded. That's why I work as an employee only for a year. When I got married, my desire was to help my husband. So he was a bank manager, but his income was not enough to give the best education for our children. So I got involved in countless businesses to support him, like selling of cookwares, retailing of clothes, and even real estate and insurance business. I've been into that. But I was not successful due to lack of capital, focus, and of course experience. One day, back in 1992, a friend introduced to me aloe vera products because she knew that my son had a recurring skin allergy. Being a mom, it's so frustrating to see your son experiencing such discomfort. So I said, yes, right away. After taking the products, he showed remarkable improvement. Soon enough, his skin problem disappeared. A week after, he invited me for coffee and showed me the company's business plan. The first thing that attracted me was a travel incentive. An all expenses paid trip to the USA, good for two. Well, if you were in my generation, the 90s, cost of travel and getting visa was very tough. That time, my heart's desire was to give my husband a free travel to America. With hard work and determination, I was able to get it after 8 months in the business. Since then, for 27 years now, my husband and I always qualify for this incentive, allowing us to travel to more than 100 countries around the world. What is more rewarding is the opportunity to coach and mentor 1,000 plus people to become builders and enjoy these travels while earning as well. I can honestly say that each travel is fabulous since we don't only get to stay at five-star hotels, but also enjoy the shopping money given by the company. Another exciting incentive is a company's car plan, where you can get as much as $14,000 up to $28,000 every 3 years paid to you every month as soon as you qualify. My personal favorite is the chairman's bonus program. On the average, the company gives a total of $25 million annually to qualified business owners. I always look forward to this event because it's held in a chosen country each year where my husband and I have been to, like Sweden, UK, Australia, USA, South Africa, Dubai, and so much more. The first bonus check I received in 1997 was 4.3 million pesos. Since then, I continued to qualify while coaching and helping my team achieve the same. Recently, the bonus check I received in Dubai was $105,000. And in 2018, when my company celebrated its 40th year anniversary in Dallas, Texas, I received $223,000. I'm sharing this information to let you know that it's doable and I can guide you all the way. The company that I work for is called Forever, the Aloe Vera Company, founded in Scottsdale, Arizona in 1978 by a generous owner named Rex Mudd. It is known to be the largest grower and producer of aloe vera. We are totally debt free with an annual sales of over $2.5 billion. dollars. Forever is operating in more than 160 countries with 42 years of uninterrupted growth. All our products, including skincare, weight management, and vitamins, are certified by International Aloe Science Council for purity and consistency. Finally, when you register as an independent distributor, you had an option to know any of the following. First, be a user and enjoy a discount starting from 5% up to 48%. Or two, choose to be a reseller and earn anywhere from 10,000 pesos to 30,000 pesos a month. Or three, just like me, train to be a business builder to earn a potential income from 100,000 pesos to 1 million pesos a month. I feel so blessed to be part of Forever, the most beautiful business on earth. Once again, my name is Lonnie Ramos. I am a breeder of champions. If you're interested about this opportunity, contact the person who sent you this video and I will be happy to help you get started. Talk to you soon. Blessings.